Today's menu is Braised Quail Eggs. Quail egg jangjolim evolved from jangjorim, a traditional side dish braised in soy sauce. It became popular by replacing beef or pork with quail eggs. The jangjorim culture, passed down since the Joseon dynasty, has become a staple in everyday life due to its easy storage and protein-rich properties. Koreans frequently eat it as a side dish for home-cooked meals, packed lunch, and children's meals, often storing it in the refrigerator for several days. Various variations include the basic soy sauce jangjorim, a version with sake mushroom and garlic, and a spicy version with added chili peppers. Today, I'll be making quail egg jangjorim with hot chili peppers for a spicy kick. Prepare 500 grams of boiled quail eggs. Wash the quail eggs under running water. Be sure to rinse them thoroughly as there may be residue. Once you wash the quail eggs, they are ready. I used hot chili peppers. You can substitute various ingredients such as shikate mushroom, konjac. While hot chili peppers aren't overly spicy, it's best to leave them out if you are sharing the dish with children. Place the quail egg in a pot and add 400 water, 1.5 tuna fish sauce, 6 soy sauce, 1 Korean cooking wine, 2 corn syrup, 2 sugar. If you want a deeper flavor, you can use kelp broth instead of water. I simply use water. Bring to a boil over high heat, stir well to combine the seasoning ingredients, then cover and bring to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium. If quail eggs are hard to find, you can use eggs instead. If using eggs, they are larger than quail eggs, so they will need a little longer to boil. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the broth has reduced and the eggs have turned a dark brown color, indicating they have been seasoned well, add hot chili pepper. And simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, then turn off the heat. While quail egg jangjorim is delicious right away, it's even more flavorful after it cools. Simple and nutritious quail egg jangjorim is complete. Enjoy!